This is Josip Belušić. He was born in 1847 in a small Istrian village that smelled faintly of salt, olive oil, and wood smoke. By the time he was 40, he had invented something the world had never seen before, a device that could tell you exactly how fast you were moving. He called it the velocimeter. It was 1888, and the judges in Vienna looked at it politely, then looked away. Every car in the world would one day need one, but Josip Belušić would not live to see that. He received his patent, he went home. He drank coffee at small wooden tables, alone. Everyone forgot his name. When he died in 1905, there were already automobiles fitted with speedometers. But there was no mention of Josip Belušić. Today, when you glance at a speedometer in your car, you are looking at Josip Belušić's forgotten idea. A quiet genius from Istria who gave the world a way to measure motion and was rewarded with stillness.